Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Wheelie Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Wheelie Vibrator itself. In a very bright, cheerful pink colour. Now you can enjoy a powerful stimulation of this unique vibrator, and it can be used in various ways. As you can see, it's got a very special design, so it's a rabbit vibrator for vagina and clitoris stimulation, and you can also use it for the stimulation of other sensitive spots. It has 2 motors. Now there are 12 different vibration settings, 9 patterns and 3 speeds. It's very simple and easy to operate. And it's also made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel very comfortable during use. There are 3 buttons just here. The top button is for the clitoral stimulation, which is also made of a soft silicone. The tongues feel very soft and smooth. The middle button is the on-off button, and the bottom button is for the vibrations. Press and hold on the middle button. Lights begin to flash. Press once. And as you can see, the clitoral stimulator is on. To change the setting, simply tap and choose your desired setting. To turn on the vibrator, click on the bottom button and it's on. Again, to change the setting, simply tap and choose your desired setting. And to turn off, press and hold on the middle button and it's off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. Simply slot it in like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now when using the Wheelie Vibrator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean the toy after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Teazers Wheelie Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.